Today we are going to learn about game balancing with machine learning. This fascinating field combines the thrill of game design with the cutting-edge technology of machine learning. We will explore how game balancing works, how machine learning is being applied in this arena, and look at some real-world examples. By the end of this video, you will have a practical understanding of how to use machine learning for game balancing, creating a fair and challenging environment for players. Let's start at the beginning. What is game balancing? It's a process of adjusting the rules and mechanics of a game to ensure fairness and challenge. It's crucial to game design because it can make or break the player's experience. Too easy, and the game is boring; too hard, and it's frustrating. Traditionally, game balancing has been a manual task, requiring constant tweaks and updates. But with the complexity and scale of modern games, manual balancing is becoming increasingly difficult. This is where machine learning comes in. By using algorithms that can learn and adapt, games can be balanced dynamically, creating a more engaging and satisfying experience for players. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn from and make decisions based on data. Unlike traditional programming, where specific rules are hard-coded, machine learning uses algorithms that can learn from and make decisions based on data. There are different types of machine learning, including supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Machine learning has a wide range of applications, from recommending products on an e-commerce website to detecting fraud in financial transactions. In the context of game design, machine learning can be used to create more immersive and adaptive gaming experiences. Applying machine learning to game balancing allows developers to create games that can adapt to each player's skill level and play style. This can lead to more engaging and satisfying gaming experiences. Machine learning algorithms work by analyzing player data, such as performance metrics and gameplay behavior, and using this information to adjust game mechanics and difficulty levels. However, there are challenges to implementing machine learning in game balancing. These include ensuring fairness, preventing exploitation, and maintaining a level of unpredictability. Despite these challenges, the use of machine learning in game balancing is expected to grow, as it offers a powerful tool for creating more dynamic and personalized gaming experiences. There are already several games that are using machine learning for game balancing. For example, the game Dota 2 uses machine learning to create bots that can mimic human players, providing a challenging opponent for players to compete against. Another example is the game Left 4 Dead, which uses an AI director to adjust the difficulty level based on the player's performance. These examples demonstrate the potential of machine learning to enhance the gaming experience by creating a more dynamic and adaptive environment. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see more games leveraging machine learning for game balancing. In conclusion, game balancing is a crucial aspect of game design that can significantly impact the player's experience. With the advent of machine learning, developers now have a powerful tool that can help them create more balanced and engaging games. While there are challenges to overcome, the potential benefits of using machine learning for game balancing are immense. So, as a game developer, it's worth exploring how you can leverage machine learning in your own projects. Thank you for watching, and remember, keep learning, keep playing, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with technology.